Everyone, what is going on? Just trying to do a real quick video here. Basically, I'll show you in a second. The tow hitch on the caliber, the exhaust hits it now just because the hangers are stretched or whatever. So I got this one from Advance. It looks like it'll fit. It is a solid rubber one instead of like the, I'll show you when we get out there. It's different. So I'm hoping that I can make this one fit. And that'll get rid of my muffler rocking around and knocking into the exhaust. Yeah, like, see, look at this guy. This thing is like really beefy, almost like it's still got a hole in it, but it's like smaller. There's more rubber to it. It was cheap. If this doesn't work, I might just get a set of poly ones and put them on there and see if that helps. All right, so here we are under the car. As you can see, there's focus. There's a little mark on the exhaust there from it banging against the tow bar here. And so right up here, let me get a light on here. So right up here, you can see we have a pretty stretched out hanger. So, oh yeah, look how much that stretches. So I'm hoping I can swap this out and pull it up a little tighter, and I'm hoping that'll help out. So normally I like to use some WD-40 or something to lube it up, but all I have is instant detailer. Get up in here, get it off. May need both hands for this. Alright. So after several minutes of fighting with it, I decided just to try to cut it. So I'm gonna cut this off, and then we'll get the new one on there and see if it bangs around like it was before. So finally got both pieces off. And what I should have did from the beginning, instead of trying all of these different tools, was just use the utility knife that got it off in the end. So now let me get some lube in these holes and get it up on there. And hopefully this doesn't bang around anymore. So I needed both hands to start it. As you can see, both of them are just over the tip. They're both actually on there. So now, just gotta get them all the way on. It's kind of tight in here, but all right, that is up and in there. It's got a little bit less play. It's really got to go far to hit that. And we'll see. A little stretched out. I mean, that's really got to move it. I guess I'll have to test drive it. And see if that helps out or not. I really got to go over some bumps to try it. And doesn't look like it's any further away, but I mean, this guy here was kind of worn, pretty stretched out. So yeah, I'm like shaking the whole car right now. I don't know. We'll see how that works. Hopefully that is a fix. If not, there you go. That's how you change a exhaust hanger. Cut it off, lube up the new one, and push it on. So hopefully there was some good information. Use a utility knife and some lube, and there you go, all done. Until next time, like and subscribe. Wanted to add something real quick. Obviously, if your car's low to the ground, you're going to need jack and jack stands. But other than that, just about all of those rubber exhaust hangers would be the same way to replace. Just cut them off if they're dry rotted and broken, and replace them with a new one that's the same one. I get a lot of stuff from Rock Auto, but I wanted to try something at a pinch, so until next time.